What does Gandhi Jayanti stand for?
I am a Malayali.
Oh, yeah, Malayali.
Yeah.
Hi Internet, this is Lazy Desi and today we are in MG Road asking few questions about Mahatma Gandhi. So let's see how many people know about Mahatma Gandhi.
Gandhi Jayanti means it's a day to commemorate the death of Gandhiji.
Gandhiji's birthday? His birthday. Gandhi Jayanti, well, for us it's like a celebration. We're celebrating the father of the nation.
So a birth or death?
I guess birth.
Birth.
Gandhi Jayanti means what?
What?
Birthday.
What? No, it's death. Death.
Sorry, we are not from India, we are from Sri Lanka, but still I know it's the anniversary of the Gandhiji.
It's a birthday, but it's a peaceful birthday.
Peaceful
One
birthday.
of the great
Otherwise, birthdays aren't peaceful. महात्मा गांधी का पूरा नाम क्या है?
Gandhi ji.
हाँ, पूरा नाम.
Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi.
Okay.
I think we should have said that we were engineers.
Yeah.
Now we are feeling
Yeah.
foolish.
Yeah.
Okay, please cut that.
What was his profession?
He was a lawyer.
What was
An advocate.
advocate?
Yeah.
At what age did he get married?
21.
21.
60 साल.
हाँ,
60 साल.
60 साल पहले. Any
Kasturba
wild guess?
Gandhi, yeah? He had his child marriage and his wife died.
And so at what age did he get married?
Very young because it was child marriage.
13 years. Well, technically not.
He wasn't married, right?
No, he wasn't.
Yeah, he was. I remember at the age of 16 or something. It was very inspirational.
16.
Wife at the age of 16. Man, that's just I don't know.
No.
No, he wasn't married.
Yeah.
Sure. Did he have any kids?
How can we have?
So how many kids?
No kids.
No, the. I think 3.
3.
One, no, two.
One son.
There's one son. Yeah, I think he had a son. He had a lot of kids.
Lot. How many? Like
7?
16, right? And at that age.
No.
Let's go with 3.
3.
Yeah, 3.
Who shot him?
Okay, Nathuram Godse. Nathuram Godse.
Some foreigner.
Punjab. Yeah.
Godse.
Godse.
A real good guy, I guess.
I forgot his name.
Maybe he was God, you know.
No, he was not God. I know the name.
And
he was like
God
against-
से क्या नाम आता है? God.
No, I guess I know it was a guy. I know.
God से
The guy who actually shot him.
who shot him?
Some curry.
Who is that God?
Godse. Nathuram Godse.
I wish I was alive. I would have.
Why? Why would somebody shoot Gandhi?
He had a lot of haters because of the division. It was a Muslim extremist after all.
Actually, he's a mental person.
Is Sonia Gandhi or Rahul Gandhi related to Mahatma Gandhi?
Who told you that?
No way. No way.
They belong to probably the same group.
Did Gandhi ever get Nobel Peace Prize or Bharat Ratna?
He didn't get both.
He did not get both. Yeah.
I don't think he won the Nobel Prize.
Okay.
I don't know.
What's your view on Gandhi?
You?
Yeah.
He makes freedom for him. He was a great leader kind of thing. But apart of him, as a whole,
I am frankly speaking, I don't consider Mahatma Gandhi to be so great. I would prefer Bhagat Singh over Mahatma Gandhi.
Bhagat Singh.
Yeah.
He was also involved in prostitution a lot, and they
Really?
yeah, he was. He did sleep with a lot of ladies, although he had Kasturba.
I feel he was a womanizer.
Do you-
I respect him,
You
but
respect him?
I don't think everything that he did was perfectly right, but a great amount of respect.
I mean, he's the person who actually got us this, I would say, I mean, the freedom. Otherwise, we wouldn't have that liberty to actually see people like this or even talk to anyone. So I thank him for the freedom which he actually gave us.